post for cherry pie overnight oats, and I need to add in the cool little feast numbers on my instructions. And so I wanted to just show you how to do this because it took me a little while to figure out how to do this without just adding in the whole feast pattern that they created with the numbers already built in. So what I do here on my first step is I put my cursor before the text. I change it from paragraph to list, and then instead of the dots we want to select the numbers, and we want to show the sidebar here. Nope, not that one. Here we go. Okay, so when I've selected that, this will pop up on your sidebar on the right. So you can actually change the starting value. This is the first step, so I'm going to leave that alone. So we have one setting here, and then over here we have styles. And if you tap that, you can select colored circle, and you see it adds this colored number to the block. And the color is selected by me in my Feast Plus settings for my branding colors. So it added it here for me. And then I'm also going to add in step 1. This is how I have it set up on my other posts, my new posts, so I want to kind of keep it consistent. So I'm going to select this and copy it, because I'm going to use that in these other steps as well. So we're going to do this again. I'm going to put my cursor before the text of the second step, change it from paragraph to list to a numbered list, and you see how it automatically chooses 1. So we're going to change our start value to 2. Then we're going to add our colored circle and paste in our step text, and then scroll down and continue. So this one is going to be step 3. Here is step 4. Step 5. Step 6. And that's it. So you can see that it looks really nice with the colored circles. It really adds a lot of consistency, because my newer posts look like this, but also it just looks more professional, and it's branded with one of my secondary branding colors. So I hope that that's helpful. I just wanted to share that with you. I do want to show you what it looks like, the feast numbered pattern that they've pre-created. This is what I use when I'm creating a brand new post. So I can search for it in WordPress using feast, and then I start typing numbered and it pops up for me. So if I tap this to add it in, you can see that this is already set up with 6 steps, and then you can just pop in your photos. So that's what I use for my new posts, but on my old ones that I need to update, this is the step-by-step process that I use. Also, this is helpful information to know if you need to include more than 6 steps, because if I wanted to add, maybe I have a 7th and 8th step for a recipe, I could select this entire row here, duplicate it, but then it goes 5, 6, 5, 6. So in order to change that, I need to tap here, and then let's see, tap here, tap there, and then this pops up. So it's a little hidden, the option to change it. So see, I can change it to step 7, and then I would adjust this as well. And again, when I tap here, I have to click on this first, then you'll see the start value and style menu pop up, and then you can change it to the number that you need. And now you have 8 steps instead of 6. So I hope that that was helpful to you, and happy blogging. Bye.